plastic washing and straining bowl. These bowls come in multiple colors and look pretty great. First look. The strainer has fine drainage holes so that fine grains don't fall off the strainer. It is made of ABS plastic, so it is pretty durable and strong. You can not only wash things but also use it as a fruit or vegetable basket. The 11-inch strainer is of perfect size and it doesn't take much space in the kitchen. It is perfect for all kinds of beans, lentils, veggies, fruits, macaroni, noodles and pasta. Performance. It is pretty easy to hold, convenient and practical. The built-in perforation lets you turn the bowl into a strainer. The strainer is also top rack dishwasher safe, and the straining holes are simply perfect for rice, pulses, beans and stuff. Reason to buy. The small holes of the strainer quickly drain water without any grains getting caught in them or escaping through the holes. It is pretty lightweight, compact and durable. This strainer is multi-purpose, cute looking and definitely functional. If you are looking to get a strainer basket for yourself, you should get Pramukh ABS strainer. That's it for today. See you again with more
Vegetables cut करके ready रखे हैं. Let me quickly put some tomatoes in this chopper. That's it. Now I'm going to lock this. And now it's time to chop. So you can see only in 2 pulls already हमारे tomatoes chop हो चुके हैं. But of course आप कुछ और pulls भी कर सकते हो to finally chop them. And that's it. Let's go to the most tedious one, that's onions. And now with this chopper you don't have to worry about tears anymore. And that's it. You're all set. तो आप देख सकते हो कितनी आसानी से बस कुछ ही सेकंड्स में हमने टमेटोस और अनियंस चॉप किए हैं यूजिंग दिस ब्रांड न्यू Amazon Solomo chopper. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, it chops quickly and shreds well. It is used for both vegetables and fruits. इसे आप अनलॉक भी बहुत इजीली कर सकते हैं. So all in all, we loved this. It's quick, efficient, and it's a great value for money. It comes from the Amazon brand, so reliability is guaranteed. If you have been thinking of switching to a chopper for a while, then look no further. That's it from me, guys. I will be back again with some great finds and more kitchen ki khabre very soon. Till then, stay healthy and happy.
Doing the Cello Checkers airtight canisters. These are a set of 18 jars or canisters which you can use for storage purposes. You can store pulses, dry fruits, you can even store stationery and makeup. You can store anything you want in it. So you're going to get 3 different sizes of jars in this set. You're going to get a large size, a medium size, and a small size, and you get 6 of each size in this set. So these jars are made of non-toxic and shatterproof plastic. That means they are very durable and they are not going to break easily. Also the jars are airtight. That means you can store your pulses, dry fruits, etc. in it and it's not going to spoil them and it will keep it fresh. Also the jars are see-through, which makes it very easy to identify what you put in it, and it also has a very wide mouth or opening which makes it very easy to put your hand in it to remove anything from the bottom. Also washing it becomes very easy because of the wide mouth. So these canisters are even available in different sets, like a set of 12 and a set of 24, and they are also available in different colors. Like this one is blue, you can even get it in a red and a grey as well. So I think this set of jars
while a regular grass broom becomes shorter and makes you bend more to clean. The Scotch-Brite broom has flexible fibers and ergonomic long handle, which ensures better surface contact with the floor and reduces the strain on your back. It covers more area compared to your regular broom. The unique flat fibers ensure fine dust removal compared to the round fibers of a regular grass broom. While your regular grass broom gets caught in furniture and breaks, the Scotch-Brite broom is very flexible. It reaches every nook and corner, including under the furniture, and removes fine dust. With its flat fibers, it can remove different types of dust in a single stroke. The lightweight and triangular-shaped handle helps you hold the broom better for effortless cleaning. The broom is long compared to a regular grass broom. This long handle helps you clean fans and ceilings. And the detachable handle allows you to use the broom as a duster for cleaning windowsills and cabinets. The broom is dust-free. It does not shed dust when compared to a regular grass broom. Moreover, dislodging hair and dust from the broom is not clumsy anymore. It easily comes off. The broom easily helps you collect dust on the pan. The broom is water resistant and washable. It dries in 1 hour. The broom is made of a high-grade material and has strong fibers, which ensures that the broom lasts really long. So, why wait then? Make your life easier with Scotch-Brite broom. Now available.
Thanks for watching the video. வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மேலும் இது போன்ற தகவலுக்கு எங்களது சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள்.